Hi, I'm Amy Giaquinto and I am Mama Fix-It-All. On today's episode, we're gonna find a leak in a swimming pool. Dun dun dun! Now, if we were to call a swimming pool expert, it would cost us hundreds if not thousands of dollars to find this leak. I don't want to do that. I'm not going to waste that kind of money. So instead, we're going to find it ourselves. Logic would dictate that since our pool is winterized, we'd have no leak around any of the inlets. We don't have a leak around the skimmer. The next reasonable place to look for a leak would be there underneath the main drain. But the only way to get to it is to immerse ourselves in this water, which is now 50 degrees. Yeah. We tried using the children to help us with that task. And we failed miserably because it's just too cold. So as Mama Fix-It, I don't like to spend money and waste money on calling people when we don't need to. So I have a better solution. So here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need some JB Weld. I'm not getting paid for this. We're finding it, we'll figure out if it works. You're gonna need snow pants, gloves, boots, hat, something warm, a coat, and a bunch of plastic bags, and dun dun dun, my favorite, duct tape, because you know the saying, if you can't duck it, it. All right, let's get started. I'm actually gonna make sure there's nothing in my pockets. You may want to double check that you don't have something stupid in your pocket, like a cell phone. Oh, screwdriver. We forgot the screwdriver. Don't forget the screwdriver. And goggles. Okay. Hefty cinch sack. So, I'm duct taping my bag to myself. See holes in it? The things, the links that I will go to save money. And not have to deal with contractors. You know, contractors are not easy to deal with. Yeah. Alright. I feel like I'm trying on a designer dress from, like, you know, where you can't figure out the front, the back, the head hole, and the... This is where we decide how much my husband loves me. Just think, you could be sitting on hold waiting for a repair person who's never gonna call you back. Trust me, we did that all summer. It's gonna fall off as soon as I get wet, but you know. Just to prove that I'm not a complete idiot, I'm like...
Yeah, this proves that.
You think I could use this for my headshot? Alright, so we actually forgot one of the supplies. It's the dye. So we have a syringe with a little piece of rubber hose on it that we found randomly. Probably dumpster diving somewhere. Maybe it was in our son's room because he's the one that dumpster dives all the time for crafts. That's how you walk a runway, baby. Woo! I got bubbles! A little chilly. Okay. Not so bad. Okay. Oh, I got leakage in my boot. I got leakage in my leg. That's leaking around my leg. Oh my, oh my, oh my. This is how not to fix a pool.
No, I know one way.
Look at my feet. A for effort. There's being cheap and there's being too cheap. I'm taking a hot shower.
Don't get you wet, Jeff.
Look at my wedgie.